In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix X or Twitter feed not loading or blank screen problem. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check if the issue is network related. Sometimes a weak connection is the main reason your feed won't load properly. Next, completely close app from your device and again relaunch it. Next up, check for app updates. Launch App Store or Play Store. Search for the app X. After app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be resolved. Next up, try logging out and log in back to your account. This refreshes your session and can fix temporary glitches that prevent your timeline from loading. For that, launch X app. Click on your profile icon. Go to the option Settings and Privacy. Click on the option Account Information. Click on Log Out and confirm it. Now wait for a few minutes and then log in back. With these, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, you can check the server status of X. For that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website like Down Detector. If there are any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from their end. And that's it. These are some fixes for X or Twitter feed not loading or blank screen problem. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.